Hello friends, in this tutorial I will teach you another water animation project. First, I insert the picture of the faucet. I create a new vector layer and draw a rectangle. I will add some points. I double-click on the water layer and activate these two options in the Vectors section. I write the number 8 for the offset option. I create a new vector layer and draw a rectangle and change the location of the points. I double-click on this layer and write the number 3 for the offset option in the Vectors section. I will take a rendering to see the details of the work better. I create a new vector layer and change its name to drop. I draw a drop with the shape tool. I'll put the origin here and make it smaller. Now I make a particle layer and put the drop layer inside it. We need to change the particle settings. I put it in the right place with the transform tool. I increase the damping option so that the drops are created here. I create a new layer and rename it to reflection. I draw an oval. With the Select Shape tool, I select an ellipse and click on the gradient option from the Effects section. I select this color and reduce its opacity. I also activate the transparency option. I change the place of origin. I create a new particle layer. I put the reflection layer inside it. And I modify the particle settings. I select the particle and water layers and put them in a group. I double-click on the group layer and mask it. Select the oval and reduce the opacity of the white gradient. I slightly change the angle of the particle. Now I will take a final rendering of the project so that we can see the result. You can see that the water animation is well done. Thank you for being with me until the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye until the next video.